Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to free up space in Windows 11. Now there are a few steps to follow and we'll be showing you right now. The first thing you want to do is to go over to your recycle bin right here on your desktop, and for me you can see it here at the top left corner. When you click open recycle bin, you can see some already deleted files right here. At the top ribbon right here, you can see empty recycle bin. When you empty your recycle bin, this will delete all the files that are in the bin. After doing that, you can go over to your computer, click on Windows C, and you're going to see the amount of space you have. Go over to your videos, pictures, music, and documents, including downloads, to delete any unwanted files in your computer to free up space. Another thing you could do is to click on your Windows button, search for disk, and here you can see disk cleanup. Click on it, and it's going to give you a list of items that you need to delete from your computer. Another way to take care of your recycle bin is to click on the checkbox and it will be added. Click on other checkboxes to increase the number of files that can be deleted to free up space. As you can see, total amount of disk space you gain is 1.62 gigabyte. If you'd like to proceed, click on OK and complete the process to clean up your PC. This will definitely free up space for you. So whether you're deleting your media, pictures, videos, music, documents, or downloads, or using the disk cleanup, including the recycle bin, these are options to follow if you would like to free up space in your Windows 11. If you found this helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.